Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be starting chapter 3 of the textbook. Now, chapter 3 of the textbook mainly focuses on functions, or actually a little more focused on predefined functions. Now, here we're gonna take a little look. In this example, we're going to be taking a little look into some commonly used functions that are pretty easy to explain. Now, this example, we're going to have to include CMath. Now, CMath allows you to use a lot of different math functions, which are really useful. And we're going to be using string. Now, string, well, you guessed it, has a lot to do with strings, the data type. You're going to be able to measure the length of the string, and you could do a bunch of other stuff. Here we're going to be using pi. Now we're going to have to write some variables. Double sphere radius, double sphere volume, double point 1x, comma point 2, actually point 1y, double point 2x, comma point 2y, and double distance. Now we're also going to have string as string. Now here we're going to print out, or see out actually, line 14. Enter the radius of the sphere. CIN sphere radius, cout indel. Sphere volume is equal to 4 divided by 3 times pi times POW. Now this is actually the power. Okay, now sphere radius, comma 3. Now the way that this function works, POW, you raise something to a power. So here it shows we raise sphere radius to the power 3, or we cube it. Same thing. And let's say if I wrote POW 4, 3, 4 would be raised to the power 3, and 4 raised to the power 3 is 64. So that is how that function worked. Cout line 18, the volume of the sphere is sphere volume. Endo. Now that is we're done with the sphere portion of that. So now here we are going to calculate the distance between two lines. So here, line 19, enter the coordinates of 2 points on the X through Y plane. Now we will write CIN point 1x point 2y point 1y, sorry. Point 1y, point 2x, point 2y. Now cout endo. Now distance is equal to square root. This is square root. Now this is a pretty simple function as well. POW point 2x minus point 1x plus, almost forgot to write one of the most important parts of that function. Now plus POW point 2y minus point 1y comma 2. So you see now we can write cout line 23. The distance between the points. Now here we're going to do this. This writes the lines on both different lines. So we'll write line 23. Point 1x comma point 1y and point 2x and then point 2y. Is distance and L and L. Now, in this example, we also have string is equal to programming with C++. Now then we write cout line 25 is equal to the number of characters including blanks, comma, in. Now this is the new line character. String is string dot length. Then we read the parentheses and endel to finish it off. Now that we've done that, can look and see how this runs. Enter the radius of the sphere. Say this sphere has a radius of 3. The volume of the sphere is 84.8232. Now enter the coordinates of points on the xy plane. Now I have a point which is 2, 3, and I have another point which is -2, 9. Let's see it run. Distance between the points is 7.2111. And here, the number of characters, including blanks, in programming of C++ is 20. Okay, that worked very well. So, I think that we are now done, or we are done with this example. So, that's it for this video, and bye.